Welcome. Trackfest 2026. It's time to celebrate. Here we go. So this is the moment we're coming through the gate. Nice to be here again. What can I say? I'm trying to find my mates. Very nice Scania. Is there a space for my wee Volvo, no?
Yeah, driving.
You've had all day to get your lorry sorted.
No, I only got here about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah. So you are drunk quite quickly then. This is the moment. Handbrake on. Let's start the weekend. That's a nice Scania. I've heard some noise, so I follow the noise. It's a golden hour. I made it. I'm very happy that I made it. Me? Me? Someone's calling me. Volvo or Scania?
Scania.
Scania? Volvo or Scania? Volvo? Volvo. It's a very nice trailer actually. I love it.
You like a trailer?
Brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Perfect. Really.
Volvo Scania.
Oh, V8?
Yeah.
Oh. Would you want to fire it up, no?
I'll fire up you up, Paul.
That would be great, huh? Wow, look guys, what a beautiful machine. How many horses?
420.
420?
420 V8.
V8. Here we have a friend from Go Transport or Go Transport. Fraser. Here we go, a lovely, that's so English. That's so English, isn't it? How doing guys? Oh, Rocket Tracker.
Where are you from?
Achiltibui.
Where?
Scania or Volvo, but I guess
Scania.
Scania.
Scania is the best.
14 litre V8.
Oh, here we have Volvo, just started up. I can't see how many horses. And here, Mackenzie Brothers. I think even Ross would drive a Volvo like this. How doing, Paul? All right, what a beautiful lorry. Is it
You
yours?
like it? Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
I've got a Volvo, but nothing comparing to this. Oh, do you want to say a few words about? Oh, it's Robin Williams over there.
It's all based on Robin Williams.
Okay.
Because obviously he committed suicide.
Yeah.
So we're linked to the Lighthouse Charity Foundation, bringing awareness to men's mental health in the construction industry. So it's just basically that's what it's about. They reckon there's one person in Britain in the construction industry a week commits suicide. So it's a tribute to them to try and bring awareness to men need to talk.
Yeah.
So,
780. I mean, you know, I've got 460.
Yeah.
Oh, what can I say? What can I
Yeah,
say?
she's a beast.
Volvo or Scania, but I don't think I need to ask you this question.
I like old trucks, but I love this.
But you know about V8. So
This is my old one. This is
Is
that's
another
Gerald
one.
Gerald
Yeah,
drives
yeah.
this as well. Unfortunately, she's not here. This is really nice.
Yeah.
When it's all lit up, it's smart
Yeah,
as well.
it's
but-
been
but
it's been
we're-
here
we're
last
both-
year. I remember.
We're both low loader drivers, so these
Oh.
go into building sites every day.
Oh no way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Aye,
Oh,
yeah.
that's
So
unbelievable.
that was my truck until last year. That's been on the road for nearly 3 years, getting into building sites every single day and looking
Wow.
at.
Wow.
It's
You
cool,
know.
It's cool.
You know what? I respect you. You know.
All the best.
Anyway, all the best. I'll see you about probably. Take care. Oh well.
Will you ever get a V8?
I hope. But you know that our boss is subscribing, I think, to my channel. I hope. It's 10 years at Bowman's next year. We'll see.
I've got a question for you.
Will you ever get a Scania?
Scania? Yeah, I've been driving Scania. I prefer Scania, and you know why? Because in Volvo, but they have, you know, such a great gearbox apparently. But you know, to go on manual, you have to take your hand off the steering wheel. When on Scania, you have like a paddle.
Yeah.
I prefer that, to hold your hand on the steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, I'll take that.
Yeah.
I'll see you about.
See ya.
I can hear a wonderful sound which I would like to explore a bit further. How many horsepower? How many horsepower?
800.
800. Whoa. Whoa. That's intense. That's intense. I have to say, that was something. Anyway, all the best. Enjoy the show.
You too, mate.
Thank you. Here we have very nice Volvos, classics. How are you doing, guys? A question.
all right?
Are these your lorries?
Yeah, yeah. That's mine. That's me brother's.
All right, very nice Volvo.
Volvo.
Oh, Volvo, yeah.
Scania. Volvo.
I think we both agree that these are the best. That's why I'm asking Volvo or Scania around
Volvo.
Trackfest. Volvo. I'm driving a Volvo, but I prefer a Scania. But Volvo is second best. I like Volvo.
But that one's automatic. That one's manual.
Oh, you know, I like manual if it's working properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, old school. I passed my, I'm old enough to pass my test on manual.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we
me
are
too.
in the same club. Anyway,
Have a good night.
enjoy the show. Catch you later, guys. Would you like to recommend Renault on YouTube for anyone?
I recommend Scania all day long.
Volvo or Scania?
Renault.
Renault?
Renault, yeah.
Oh, that's the first point at this show for Renault then.
Renault, yeah.
And here we have all the industrial supplies. Charging the battery. Here we have Robert Summers. Last year they've had more lorries, but their fleet is absolutely unique, I have to say. Oh, I love that car. I would love to have a shot. What we've got here? Oh, I tripped. Anyway, Kingdom Hercules, a Merc. And Kingdom Express, also a Merc. Anyway,
The ladies for somebody to take a
where I'm from? Ahiltibui.
What?
Oh, I'm from Poland. No, I'm Polish. Yes, but
Polish, yeah.
yes, I'm in Scotland for over 15 years. Yeah, but I know my accent stands out, but I'm not even trying to hide it, to be honest.
So
you know.
you've not been as long as your ancestors actually, because we had Polish people here during the war. You know, and there's still people who live, Polish
Yes,
people
yes,
still
I
live
know
here.
the history of Polish.
Still Polish people,
He's been here.
And if you pass me on the road, I'm driving for Bowmans. If you pass me on the road, give me a flash. If you're ever up north.
See you later.
All the best, guys. Thank you. Take care. There is no school like old school. Here we have Morar Motors, which is represented by Mark, and we have Longshire Garage. What can I say? Great viewpoint, Morar Motors. This one over there. Here we have one of the locals, AMAX lorry. If I could drive a Scania like that, in manual, if the gearbox works well, I would take it any day. Oh, Kyle, and I was asking people around Trackfest this weekend, Volvo or Scania?
Volvo.
Volvo?
All day long.
There we go.
Best lorry on the road.
That jest true. That's true. Volvo or Scania?
Say Scania just to know I have.
Just to know him, Scania then.
Did you just say Scania?
But that's half a point because she just, you know, that wasn't
You've
objective.
got a V8 jacket on.
Yeah, V8. Look at these lorries. Oh, and here's Frank. Oh, would you Adam and Eve? Nice Volvo. Grida rev up. Give it a blast. Give it a blast. Lights on. To fire up my lorry too. Duffs, very smart, well maintained. So now we see some lights on. How are you, Mark? Ziełowski. What was that?
Camera Hashem.
Camera Hashish, whatever that means.
That means how are you in Gaelic?
I'm very well, how are you? Volvo or Scania? I know
Well, you see, the problem is I've only ever driven Scanias. So, you know, I've just sat in Lost Shields Volvo there, and it's a lot comfier than my Scania. The Scania is just not right. You get sore after a few hours driving.
Yeah, Volvo is comfortable.
So, you know, I would like an actual shot in the Volvo. I take it for a spin and see what it's like.
So you call it a tie, Volvo and Scania.
Well, you know, I'd rather have a more educated. I'd rather educate myself before I can set an opinion. Because I've only ever driven Scania.
That's very humble and considerate, I have to say.
I've changed a lot since my last interview.
Oh yeah, because last one, last one as well.
I can't believe how drunk I was.
Scania's got my heart all the way.
Right, so Robbie, he's very a humble man, doesn't want to be in the video. They bother.
Know the state of it?
No, but I'm sure that, you know, in normal circumstances, you know, it looks a bit different. Obviously, that's not the usual state.
Right, will we give it a wee bit of the Turkish whistle?
Of it. I say turkey, you say whistle. Turkey.
Whistle.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Good crack. Slowly getting quiet over here. See you in the cab. Talking about getting quiet. Our stand is still pretty much alive, most of it. Anyway, back to the main story. Of course, I can't miss the Volvo stand. Slowly draw my attention. Pretty clear eye. You can see one screen and the other. Is there a night vision on these cameras?
Yes,
Yeah?
night vision. The lens is self-cleaning, and if you notice the sort of yellow, that's the back of the cab. And you can also get one for your trailer, which is usually round about there somewhere. If you ever get a chance to try and drive one.
Yeah.
Try.
Quick question, Volvo or Scania?
Volvo. You are a wrong person to ask me. Good to see you.
Malcolm Crew. Look how amazing fleet they put forward every year for track. I'll try to say something so I don't get the copyright strike, but look at this teacups. I don't know if you can hear me, I hope you can. That's something special, I have to say. Look how long this cab is. I need to say, the best fleet in Scotland, in my opinion, when it comes to varieties of lorries and the equipment they have, all the eras, like this FH12. So we are slowly leaving Trackfest along with our group. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Remember to stay between the verges and under the radar. I'll see you soon.